So I thought I'd start this one like sitting down because I've just got a parcel and I thought I'd show you guys what it is and what's in it and everything like that. So this is the parcel, and as you can see, it's from Notino. So you guys know I do videos with them every month. I do one video with them. So the lovely girl there was like, what do you want to do for this month's video? So I was like, right, just send me some of your favourite products, just some random products. So I have no idea what's in the box, and I'll open them on camera, and then throughout the week I think I'll try like different products and kind of tell you what I think of them and everything like that. Let me start by getting the box out. This is what it looks like, and let's open it up. Ooh. They've fallen out. So first thing we got are some face masks. These are from the brand Korika, I think. But we have a peach one, I guess this is almond, and then this mango, I think. Is it mango? I don't know. But yeah, so they're all sheet masks. So I will definitely try these in the week and tell you what I think of them and show you what I look like when I'm wearing it, because I probably look like a right Wally. Next we've got some toothpaste. Now this is from the brand Medi Blanc. I'm not sure, but it is their, what is this? It's like strong black toothpaste. It's a charcoal toothpaste. Let's have a look. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like, and I'm guessing it's black. So I'm kind of excited to see like if this works and what it tastes like. Next thing we've got is a body milk. This is from the brand Spiritime, I think, and it's just in this like pink packaging. Let's try some now. How do we open this? What way? I have no idea. Oh, there we go. Right, let's have a... Oh, it smells nice. Let's rub it in. Very nice. Yeah, it smells like really fresh and florally, and yeah, I like this, and I'm sure I will get through this bottle. And I love that it's got a pump, because I hate when like body lotions you have to squeeze it and you can never get all the product out. So this one has a pump, which makes it so much easier. Next we have a little candle. This again is from the same brand, and let's have a smell. Ooh, that smells good. I'm not sure what scent it is. Fruity Time, I think that's the scent, but it just smells like kind of appley, kiwi, I don't even know, but it's green and it looks nice and it smells good, so I will definitely be using this. We've got, again from the same brand, this is a moisturising shower gel, and we have a little perfume, Eau de Toilette. Let's have a smell. This is from the brand Eau de Cartier. I don't know. That's what it looks like. How do we open this up? Like that. Give it a little spray. Ooh, that smells good. That smells very good. I'll be using this. I love little mini perfumes because you can put them in your bag and you can bring them with you and like spray yourself throughout the day, and you don't have to lug like a massive glass bottle. So yeah. So I've got one of these. I have no idea what this is. I think maybe you use it to like clean your face or your body, or it's like an exfoliating thing. I don't know. I'll look it up, see what it is and see how to use it, because it looks cool. I'm not really sure what you actually do with it though, so yeah. We then got a little hand cream, so I'll definitely put that in my bag. And then lastly we've got a little L'Oreal palette. This is the Le Palette Gold. So let's open it up. These are the colours. So they're all shimmery colours. So you've got some more like goldy champagne colours, and then also some kind of weird colours. I mean, to be honest, I'm not sure how much I'll use like the green and the blue, but yeah, it has like a darker brown khaki. And then this one, I think, I mean, it looks really yellow in the pan, but I think it will come out gold on your eye. And we have a little brush as well, so maybe I should put some on. Let's try this like shimmery shade here. Let's put it in the inner corner. And then maybe a bit on my Cupid's bow. Yeah, very nice. So that is everything that was in the little box. So throughout this like weekly vlog, I will try a few of the products and tell you what I think of them. And I'm not sponsored by any of the brands, so of course my opinion is going to be completely truthful. And if I don't like a product, I don't like it. So yeah, but I will try them out and tell you what I think. And all of the products are available on Notino. That's how it's spelled, but I'll put a link to it down below. And yeah, now let's get on with the weekly vlog. So today is Friday and I am off to London. I think I'm going to go a little bit of shopping first, and then I've got the reserved event this evening. I'm happy because I found someone to go with. I thought I was going to be going on my own for a bit, but I found someone who will come with me. So yeah, I'm meeting Katie, who is another like blogger, Instagrammer person. So I'll put her like links down below. So yeah, she said she'll come with me. So I'm going shopping first and I'll meet her. Then we'll go to the reserved event. I think it's in like Shoreditch. I'm not really sure what's happening or what it's about, but thought I might as well go. And yeah, thought I'd bring you guys along with me. So I hope you enjoy. So today I'm off to meet Sophie again, and I dyed my hair yesterday. It went a bit wrong. It's gone a bit too kind of like yellowish, and my roots are a little bit too light. I kind of prefer to have my roots a little bit darker, but oh well, I'll just like wait for it to grow out, I guess. But yeah, so I'm off to meet Sophie today in London. I think we're taking pictures, maybe going for lunch, having just a wander around, I guess. So yeah, I thought I would take you along with me. Currently in H&M because Sophie is late, her train's got like delayed. So yeah, I've just been shopping for like the last hour. So yeah, thought I'd check in with you guys and tell you what's up. So weird on camera. Isn't it bright? Like it's all light. Oh my god. So weird. Hello. Lovely woman. Is that your girlfriend? Yeah. What's her name?
It's Bay. It's just Bay.
It's just Bay. In the
no, actually I like up here, but I don't like downstairs. It's very creepy.
So I've just got home from London. The trip home was quite interesting, the train journey. There were quite a few drunk people on it, which I'm not really sure why, considering it's like I don't know, 6:30, 7, but yeah, it was quite amusing really. I'll insert some clips here of the singing. So I'm just gonna put my hair up and basically just take off my makeup, and then I thought I would try a few of the products I got sent. So the way I normally take off my makeup is super simple. I use baby wipes, and then this is Bioderma, which is like so my camera just cut out, but as I was saying, I'm going to use Bioderma, which is a micellar water. And the Bioderma is also available on Notino. I got it, I think, in the last collaboration we did, but I've been loving it, and I use it pretty much every single day. So yeah, let's pour some of this on to the wipe. And first, let's just take off the lashes. I love taking off false eyelashes. I'm not sure if I'm the only one, but I just find it so satisfying. And then we just go in with the wipe. I look really pale now because I have fake tan on my body, but not my face. But I thought I would try out a few of like the little products. So I think I might try the toothpaste. First, let's get a toothbrush. So this is the Medi Blanc Strong Black Toothpaste. So yeah, I think it's like coconut or something. No, I have no idea what it is really. But let's give it a go. Okay. It is like bright black. I'm hoping this is not going to stain my teeth, but let's have a go. So the toothpaste literally just like tastes and feels like any other toothpaste. It's like mint and everything. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Like, I'll use the rest of the bottle and it's all natural and everything. So if you're looking for that kind of toothpaste, then this is good, but I'm not sure if I'll like go out of my way to repurchase it. But yeah, next up I think I might just put on a face mask. This is the Corica, I think that's the brand. Natural Beauty Moisturising Face Sheet Mask, and I think it's like peach. So yeah, I'm going to put this on, see what it looks like. Very like watery, it's really saturated in product. God, what am I doing? I can't like untangle it. There we go. Let's put this on. So it smells really good, but I'm going to leave it on for like 10 minutes. So I'll probably end the vlog here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking very scary with this mask on, but I will see you in my next one. Bye!